Welcome to Wellste channel. Today we are going to introduce two types of Wellste twist-lock telescopic poles: tube rotation and fitting rotation. The difference between the two is the role of the external fitting. This is the tube rotation. By rotation the tube to choose the right position and fixed. This fitting is only a decoration role and cannot be turned. It is in order to cover the gap of the falling tube connection. Another is the fitting rotation telescopic pole. It is the opposite of the tube rotation. We need to adjust and fix the position by the fitting. The twist lock is a very popular telescopic pole. These two types of connection meet the different needs of our customers. Contact us now to get the new date sheet of our telescopic pole. We will give you a quote within 22 hours.